So guys, nag-release na nga ng statement ang Potato Corner dahil nga kamakailan nag-viral po ang kanilang Potato Corner hiring poster. Dahil yan, maraming netizen na nagsasabi na para daw Miss Universe candidate ang hinahanap, hindi naman empleyado. So ayan, may kita nyo maraming memes talaga lumabas sa internet na miss you daw, Potato Corner miss you. So guys, ayan po ang statement nila. Basahin natin ng mabilisan. We at Potato Corner had an embarrassing moment over the weekend involving a well-meaning but inappropriate job posting being released, so we hope to set things right. Our values are all about diversity and inclusion and true to the experience that we offer. We believe in celebrating the uniqueness that each other individual brings. O, di ba? Parang pang Miss Universe din yung statement. So, kayo na lang magbasa ng the rest kasi sobrang natatawa na ako. So, all in sinasabi nila na hindi